Shodan.io. So here, first of all, you need to create account. After creating an account, you need to activate it. After activating it, you guys will see the dashboard here. Now you can able to access this Shodan. This is a free plan basically. If you want to purchase the plans, here or the page, here is a page of plans billing. See, account.shodan.io/billing. From here you can able to say this all stuffs, right? Now see here, what is Shodan? Just let's go with the official page here. See, Shodan is a search engine for internet connected devices. Web search engine such as Google and Bing are great for finding websites. But what if you are interested in measuring which countries are becoming more connected, or if you want to know which version of Microsoft IIS is the most popular, or you want to find the control server for Marvel? Maybe a new vulnerability came out and you want to see how many hosts it can affect. Traditional web search engine don't let you answer those questions, right? Shodan gather information about all devices directly connected to the internet. If a device is directly hooked up to the internet, then Shodan queries it for various publicly available information. The types of devices that are indexed can vary tremendously, ranging from small desktop up to nuclear power plant and everything in between, right? So what does Shodan index then? The bulk of the data is taken from banner. Now you know about banner, right? I told you in the last class. So you can able to read this all stuff. This is very necessary for you. See, there is a two interfaces of Shodan. This is a GUI interface. If you want to use Shodan through graphical user interface, then this is an easy way. Simple, visit website, create an account there and use the Shodan from here. Or you can also use through CLI, through your terminal, Kali Linux terminal or Ubuntu terminal. So how to do that one, I'm gonna tell you. See here, and also Shodan cheat sheet is there. So if you click on view all filters, then you can able to see the filters there. And there is also advanced search is there. If you search the queries here, then it will show you the results, okay? And network is there. If you mention this all stuff, then it will show you the results for you, right? So there is a lot of stuffs you need to explore here, but it's not that much necessary. Now why we use Shodan? This is one thing, to find the devices. Simple words. Now see, I want to look, is there any FTP anonymous login is there or not? Now you know about FTP anonymous login, right? So see, there is a query is there. If I type FTP here, then what will happen? It will show those all devices which have the FTP service in it. How it's detecting it? Through banner. See, in this banner there is a description basically. Here if there is a FTP, then it will show the result. Okay, so this is how it will work. See, it's having the different IPs. If you see left side here, you guys will see at China it's in peak, okay, like 2511 258 devices out there. In United States there are this many devices, and Japan this many, right? So this is how we can able to figure out this kind of stuff. So total results in internet, okay, this many I can able to see, but there is more. Remember this point, because every day Shodan scan on internet. It's gonna scan the entire internet and it will find the stuffs, okay? There are a lot of internal IPs out there which are not exposed. It only find the stuffs on public IPs, okay? Is there is a public network, then it's gonna scan for it and it will show the public results, not private results, okay? How they can able to access it? Simple thing, right? So remember this point about this top ports is there. Mostly they are using 21 port for this FTP, okay? And the second top port is 2121. Yeah, mostly people configure using this port as well, and there are a lot of ports, okay? And top organizations which are using, and there is a top products which are using this FTP. Okay, now I want to identify, is there any IP which allows anonymous login? So how we can able to look for it? So simple, just search for like this, double quotes, just use 230. If you watch our previous courses, then you will get about this one. Okay, basically it's also focus on banners. Successful. Once you connect with FTP, then you guys will see this output there. Simple, we are looking using that output. So simple, let me search for the port 21, hit enter. So please log in. Okay, I need to log in, just wait. Okay, here it is. First of all, you need to create account here. Click on, hit enter now. Please log in. What happening here? So now it's working. See, there is a almost 35,000 results I got. 35,321. Mostly in United States, I got the stuffs related to this one. There are different states, okay, different countries. But if I click on United States here, now see the search parameter here. It gonna change. See, now it's taking US. Now it will only show the US based results here. That means on this IP address, I can able to log in FTP by using just anonymous credentials in a simple words, simple thing, right? So I can show you this thing, right? And here, if you're if you're looking for other stuffs such as outdated versions of FTP, then you can also look for this, right? Let me show you. You know about VSFTPD, which we exploited in our last classes, okay, in lab. So simple, let me look for it. Now mostly people say that, right, why we focus on the outdated stuffs? Because outdated stuffs are being used on internet, okay? So that's why it's necessary to cover those things. Okay, VSFTPD, then 2.3.4. If I hit enter here, now you guys can able to see there is a lot of companies which are using this version. VSFTPD is there, okay, 2.4, okay. Basically this is one of the most popular one. See, what is the company here? Basically it's a telecom company. Let me open this one. See, Korea Republic of, there is a lot of things here which I can go for, like I can go, right? Let me show you. See here, the simple stuffs we got. We didn't get a lot of information. You can, the basically pen tester or any black hat hacker, what they do means they test for it. Mostly we are pen testers, right? So we need to test it, but we don't have permission, right? This is also one thing. Now there is a China, okay. So basically how many results I got, this is very necessary to know. See, 1400 results, 1486 results we got here. That means this many devices are vulnerable, having the vulnerability of this one. Okay, this is how you need to figure out. Now if you are looking for simple, you can also mention the product as well. Is there any product such as let's go with the FTP only product, and here let me add in double quotes, I'm gonna add the product name here. Pro FTPD is there. Then I'm gonna add the version. Once I add the version here, then what will happen? It will look for that specific version, right? Just add 1.3.5 is there, which is a vulnerable version. The exploit has been released in 2015, you know that. So here we got the results. Now see the version, it's using 1.3.5. maybe it will vulnerable because it's using the vulnerable version here. How many devices I got? See the results, see the results here, 10,000 plus results are there, okay. So basically the things are very necessary to learn this, everything, even the outdated, even the popular one, every popular one is linked with the outdated stuffs. Remember this point, okay. So you need to learn each and everything. So here I want to look for a specific port, okay. Now just assume that there is a one software is there, mostly people are using that software, and that software is running on the port 8000. Just think like this, okay. Now I want to look for the specific port on specific country. Then how I can able to do it? Simple, just type the port here, then let me add the port 8000 and country. Just mention the country here. Let me look for something like US is there, right? Which is okay. Let me search for it. See how this many devices are there which having the port 80. If I open this result here, you guys will see port 8000 there, right? So, and also it's vulnerable with this all vulnerabilities, but mostly see, remember one thing, this is a kind of hint for you. Okay, mostly what they do means they add the honeypot in their network. What will happen once they add honeypot means it will show the fake vulnerabilities there. So attacker can able to waste his time by doing the stuffs. See how many vulnerabilities are there. It's a honeypot. Okay, I 100%, I'm 100% sure that it's using honeypot, right? No server will be vulnerable with this many vulnerabilities. So remember this point here. Let's go back. And also, if you are looking for a specific organization on specific organization, such as there is a, just type here org, and let me search for Tesla is there. Okay. Hit enter now. Now there is no search results. Let me remove this country from here. Hit enter now. Maybe I can find okay, nothing. So you can remove the port as well, just change the port or something like that, then you can able to find the details. So this is how we can able to use this. What this queries, okay, and this all shows. See, there is a download, explore research. If you click on Shodan, there is also a report option is there. If I click on let me search for again FTP or something like that. Okay, let's search for this one only. Now see, there is a view report is there. Once you click on view report, you guys will see the report there, right? So this is a report which you can able to see, and if you click on more, then you guys can able to see more informations. And if you click on downloads, you can create the download here, and you can able to download this report as well. And there is a monitor. In monitor, what will happen means you can able to monitor the IPs, right? And there is a images. You know about images? Shodan images is there, one of the most popular one, right? Basically, we need to become a member here. So let me try to access this. We will see later this classes, right? So hope you guys get it, how we can able to use Shodan. It's very easy to use, just need to understand the concept. That's it. Hope you guys enjoy this classes. Thank you. Have a nice day. So simple, just type here. Let me zoom it. Just type pip install Shodan. Hit enter. Now it's gonna install Shodan for you. Now you need to create this one, this Python environment. Just type here Python -m. Just let me give the name venv. Let's give something like venv only. Okay, it's gonna create the environment with this name. Okay, now you need to activate. Just type here source, and just type here bin what is it, Python something, activate, there activate. Sorry, here I need to mention the name which you given venv and bin, and just mention activate here. Activate, right? Hit enter now. See, it's successfully activated. Now you guys will see venv there. Let me clear it. Now this is a kind of headache process, but still it will work. Okay, it won't break the system packages. This is a secure way to deal with this kind of issues. Hit enter now. Now it's gonna install Shodan for you. Instead of adding the flag -- break package, then instead of doing that one, just go like this. Now what you need to do, simple, just use this initiate command to set up this API. Okay, just type here Shodan. If I type here Shodan -h, then you guys will see the help commands here. Just wait. See here, there is a alert is there, convert is there, count is there, data, domain, host, info, init. See, initialize the Shodan command line. Then my IP is there. Print your external IP address. You can also just type Shodan my IP, then it's gonna mention the IP. See, there is a scan an IP or net block using Shodan search. You can also use a search here. So let's see. Let me clear it and let me type here Shodan initialize and mention your API here. First of all, login and click on account here. Once you click on account, see there is a API. Click on show and copy this API and paste it here. Then hit enter. Now it's gonna successfully initialize it. Then what you need to do, start the process. You successfully initiated the API here. Now you can able to use Shodan in CLI. Now we need to check query credits here. So simple, just do one thing, just open it and search for Shodan. Just type here Shodan info. That's it. Now see, you will get the results. Now query credits available 0. I don't have any queries here. Everything is 0. Scan credits available 0. Basically we are using the free version, right? So this is a result. But mostly from here you can also count the shelves. So simple, what you need to do is, if you want to see how many results are there, so simple, just type here Shodan count and I'm looking for FTP, right? Once I hit enter, you guys can able to see this many results are there related to FTP. And you can also see the host as well, right? If I type here Shodan host, provide host any IP address there. Let me type here ping tesla.com is there, right? Let me ping this one, and here I got the IP address of Tesla and it's using Akamai Technologies. So simple, I'm just giving the results. Okay, you can also look for the IPs as well. If you look like this, then it's saying that access denied 403 forbidden, right? So it will show the results basically. If you want to scan the IP, simple, you can also scan it. Just type here Shodan and scan and just mention here submit. Mention your IP address, your target IP. Now in our case, let me take one IP here. Just use ping, or you can add your target, any target IP, such as, let me go with Nokia. So here I got one IP. Let me use this one only, okay? And then let me submit here. Now it's gonna scan for this one. Please upgrade your API plan to perform on-demand scan. So basically, if you want to perform it, the scan on this IP, it's gonna perform the scanning as well, okay? Then you need to purchase a premium plan here. So on Black Fridays, okay, they provide in a very cheap price about this plans, okay? So if you want to purchase Shodan, then you need to purchase on Black Friday. You will get around in $5 or something like that, instead of purchasing the it's enough, okay? The basic plan is enough. You no need to go with a huge one, right? So simple, this is the basic thing, right? You can also go with images.shodan is there. Now if I type here images.shodan.io, so this is a images page where you can able to look for the images. See, you need to purchase for this one. Previously it's used to be free, right? Now they added the payment as well. It's a one-time payment. Basically, by using this images, what will happen means you guys can able to look through look from images, okay? Equation. And here we are mentioning the port is, you know, default port is of Hackvision, it's 8000. Okay, but let's see for the port 80, it's access denied, because if you do this Pro 1 and you have a premium plan, then it will show the results. Here, this is images. This is a field you can able to use it for that one, right? So here only you guys will see it. It's a free, okay? You no need to purchase a plan for it. Where it is, Shodan exploits, Shodan Bruno CV. Here it is, visit site, right? This is a CVDB. Click on view dashboard, right? So vulnerabilities browser is their view API docs documents. Now here you can able to see this one, CID, and just wait. So by products we have this many. So right. So previously it used to be in simple, you need to search the stuff, it will show you the results, right? And here we have the what the specific, what we say, the exploit as well, which you can able to see. Basically it's take the result from exploit DB only, okay? You no need to worry about this thing. Here if you click on Shodan account, let me search for this. Now see, there is a view report is there, right? So click on view report, you can able to see this one, okay? And also focus on this one, there is a more is there, right? If I click here on any more, so simple, if you are looking for on any ASN or something like that, you can also focus on this one, right? Telnet will is there, Telnet do something. So if I go back and here, see there is a specific companies, let's go organization, sorry. If I click on products, in products you guys will see this. No, here there is a pro FTPD. Now this is how you can able to mention it, right? So it will automatically, now you if I want pure FTPD, then see what will happen. See, it's using the product pure FTPD. Now if I want to go with the access network camera, now it's have the 10 results basically, right? We also have the Shodan extension, you know that. Just let me show you. See, here is a Shodan extension. Just click on add to Firefox. Add. Okay. Now if I click here, now first of all I need to trust it. Okay, just click on extensions. Where is extensions? Okay, it's here. Straight. See, it's showing the results. IP, hostname, and tag. And also it will show the ports which are open in this website, okay? The port 80 and 443 is open, right? So this is how we can able to use this Shodan, what we say, now see how this many ports are open here. And CVDB, this is a domain which we are using right now, and this is IP, and this is a host name, and tag is CDN, and this many ports are open. View IP details. So click on IP details, you guys will see the results here, right? And view sorry guys, view domain results, you guys will see the domain results here. So this is how it will work. It's easy, okay, but just explore it. It's not a big deal. In the last classes also we covered Shodan. At that time it's used to be free, you know that. We do a lot of shifts there, but right now they increase the prices or something like that. Previously I think prices are also little bit low. Right now they increase the shifts, right? Now which one you need to use? See, census is there. According to me, census is excellent. Shodan is good, okay, but this guy just it's good, but I'm gonna show you about the census as well, how we can able to use it, right? Hope you guys enjoyed this class. Thank you. Have a nice day. let me open browser here. Let me look for this one. Okay, still there is a 502 error, which is a bad gateway. Mostly people are using this one, so that's why mostly you guys will see 502 bad gateway. Okay, let me show you how it's look, so you guys can able to see it, right? So this is official website, okay, of set.sh, where you need to enter the keyword. Okay, if you're looking for any website, just mention the website name like tesla.com. Now whenever you mention tesla.com, then what will happen means it's gonna find the subdomains of tesla.com. okay, now if you are only looking for Tesla, not you're not mentioning the .com, .in or something like that, then it's gonna find a lot of results for you. Okay, in that results only you guys will see the subdomain. See, in identity, just wait, in identity you guys can able to see the domains. So this is how you can able to find it. So the sorry guys, there is a automation tools are there for this one. So basically what we need to do is we need to use this one. There is a basically bash script. Let me show you. You can also read that Medium articles as well, right? This one also you can able to read it. You can able to see it, this one, which is a version 2, right? So it's a little bit advanced by comparing to this set.sh, this one, right? This one is also available from here. Let me show you. This is this one is from 1 and 3. You can able to see this one. You can also use this. Click on raw or simple download it. Once you download this one, you guys will see there is a set.sh is there. If I open it, you guys will see this one, right? So let me open terminal here. To use it, what you need to do, just type here set.sh ./set.sh and then mention your target website or the keyword which you are looking for. You can also mention .com as well. Okay, hit enter. Now what will happen means it's gonna gather the certificate, the domains only. It's gonna focus on domains. Okay, once it's gathered the domain, it's gonna save it, okay, with this name. So tesla set.txt is there, right? Mostly this site is 502 bad gateway or something. Okay, maybe after 2 days just try to open it, it will work. Okay, mostly people are using it. It's a free website. There is a lot of paid tools out there to perform the same thing, like let me show you one free one, okay, which is SSL broad. Okay, from here also you guys can able to get the results. Tesla.com, start scan. Now you need to create an account here. It's a free account, you don't need to worry about it. Click on open report. You guys can able to see the results here. So it will show you the host here. See, host name is there, right? Basically you need to focus on that one, but it's not good like what we say set.sh. There is also another website, the name of just wait, let me show you this one. So simple, here also you need to mention the domain. Let me type here tesla.com. basically it's also a paid one, but it's not, nothing is better than set.sh. okay, this one, there are paid, but still I'm just showing you the stuff, that's it. See, here you guys can able to see the results. All right, so there is a Snapchat is there. Let me visit this website. Snapchat.com is here. Now here you guys will see this is a Snapchat page, okay, and it's working on HTTPS, you know that. Yeah, then what you need to do, click on connection is secure is there, right? Now see, certificate is valid. Let me open this one. Once I open it, click on details. Once I click on details, you guys will see a lot of details here, right? So here there is a version, serial, issuer, okay. Here in here you guys will see some subdomains. It's also issued for Snap. You guys will see in you will see something like subject alternate names or something like that. Okay, here it's not there, right? So let me click on Amazon.com. So here we have the SSL, right? Okay, click on connection is secure, view this one, click on details. See, there is a something like subject. We'll see something like subject alternate names. Mostly there only you guys can able to see that one, the details about the this sorry the subdomains, okay, the domains which are using the same certificate. Let me show you through terminal. If I let me clear it, there is a Shodan is there, right? Just type here Shodan, and then just let me look for domain. Let me look for tesla.com. Now it's gonna show the results for you related to Tesla. Okay, we are not using the premium membership, right? No problem. Okay, let me go to Shodan. So let me look for tesla.com is there, right? Simple, just mention the domain as well. You guys will see a lot of results here. See, in SSL certificate, you guys will see the tesla.com. So that's why it's showing you the results, right? See the location, right? So this is how it will work. So if you only add, instead of tesla.com, if you add something like only Tesla, now see the results here, right? Maybe here here you won't see that much results, but what will happen, you guys will see those things where in SSL basically you are it's having this keyword which is Tesla. So that's why it's this Shodan is showing us the stuffs, right? So now how we can able to automate the stuffs, okay? If you have a premium membership in Shodan, then how we can able to use it? See, there is a one tool for it, the name of show something woman GitHub. So here we have this one. So you can use this to get the domains from what we say from Shodan. And also there is also another one, show domain seeker is there. Okay, basically it will work so simple. What you need to do, just copy this commands and go to cd and pip install -r requirements and run the scripts here. What you need to do, you need to mention this command here, okay, -d and your target domain and -s and mention your Shodan API key. Once you do this one, you guys can able to see the results. See the example shows. The most popular one which mostly uses this one, show domain. That's it. This one is good. Okay, a basic tool, right? It will only show you the subdomain. See, once the developer just executed this command, he just targeted Starbucks here, right? Once he did, then what happened? He just saw the results. Sorry, here we can able to see the results. Basically, what will happen means it will only show in terminal. It won't save the stubs. So what you need to do, you need to use pipe and you need to save the stubs in. Okay, but just adding the greater than symbol and the file name where you want to save it. So basic thing, right? So here you can able to see the usage. What you need to do, Python show domain, and you need to mention the API key, then your target domain, then it's gonna do the shifts for you. Okay, so this is how we can able to get the subdomains using Shodan, right?